Hello and welcome to our video solution to problem 2 from quiz 1. In this problem, we're given a differential equation. So y prime equals y plus t, which we're told is a special case of something known as D'Alembert's equation, whatever that is. And although we will want to be able to solve this sort of differential equation later on, for now, we're actually given a general solution to it. Right? Namely that y is equal to some constant, right? And that's that constant that tells you we have a family, right? This is the general solution. So you have some constant times e to the t minus 1. And it's very clear here, you don't need to prove that this is the general solution, right? Maybe we don't know how to do that yet. Instead, in these problems, what we want to do is find a corresponding particular solution given some initial data point. So in part A, we're told that y of 0 is equal to 5. So how do we use that? Well, we use this general family, and we're just going to insert this particular point into it. So we know, so this will be part A, we know that 5 is y of 0, but y of t in general is given by this solution. So we have c times e to the, well, now the t is 0. So e to the 0 minus 0 and then minus 1. Now, an exponential, right, with a 0 exponent is going to be 1. So we have c minus 1. And that's equal to 5. And so we conclude that c is equal to 6. And so our particular solution is going to be y of t is equal to 6 e to the t minus 1. Okay, let's try B now, right? It's going to be the same idea, just maybe the arithmetic works out differently. So now we know that 0 is equal to y of 2. And y of 2, well, we just take this solution and we evaluate it when t is equal to 2. So we'll get c times e to the 2, so e squared, minus 2 minus 1. All right, well, let's see. You have minus 2 minus 1. That's a minus 3. We can move that over to the other side. It'll turn into a plus 3. And then we can divide by this e squared. So we're going to get c is equal to 3 divided by e squared. All right, it's only slightly more complicated arithmetically, but not much. And so a particular solution is going to be given by y of t is equal to 3 over e squared e to the t minus 1. All right, it's just that simple. In the next video, we'll try a little more complicated one where we have two different constants of integration, right? Here we just had the one, all right? And that'll make things a little more complicated because we'll actually have to start computing derivatives. All right, but I'll see you next time.